Good morning. Welcome to Coin Edition. I'm Bahira Maisoon, and we are at the World Blockchain Summit connected by TrustCon. So here we have got Ben Simpson, CEO of Collective Shift. Hello, sir.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, thank you to the Coin Edition podcast.
Cheers.
And first of all, tell me about yourself and your company to us.
So my name's Ben. I'm the founder of Collective Shift. I'm from Australia. It's my first time in Dubai and really enjoying it. I'm really here to help try and educate people into the Web3 space. So as we all know, unfortunately, this space is littered with bad advice, scams, influencers being paid to promote certain projects, and a lot of people lose a lot of money when they get into crypto. So and that's where I first started. I lost money in scams and did the whole thing. So 2 years ago, I started my company called Collective Shift, and it's basically a Web3 platform where you can learn and invest through really simple, actionable insights. So think like Bloomberg for crypto, but for really simple content. So it's like really for mum and dad investors.
Okay, so you are here over here in the big event, and how do you see this event actually?
It's been really good, yeah. So I've been speaking at a few events here in Dubai. So I do a lot of public speaking on crypto, and yeah, it's been really good. Like Binance launching here the other week, and to see how many booths and people are here at these crypto conferences, it's really exciting. I think Dubai is really trying to build that hub, like it always has been for traditional business. They're trying to build that hub for crypto as well. So it's exciting to come over here and educate people on board them.
So this is basically Web3 based company. Your company is a Web3 based company, and how do you integrate or cooperate with the blockchain technology? How do you implement it?
So we only talk about blockchain and crypto. So we're not a token or a blockchain. We are like a subscription company. So we have about 1,500 users globally that subscribe for our research and information. But we only communicate about the blockchain and crypto. We aren't a blockchain ourselves. So we're really trying to help onboard people into this space safely and securely. So we have things like copy portfolios, have a community, we have courses, really a platform where you can get everything you need in one place.
Okay. So while talking in general, we know that Dubai is being on the track of being a crypto capital. We can say there are many other countries, but Dubai is being more explorative, more exposed to the crypto world, So how do you see this chance to explore or to establish your company there in Dubai, and how do you take this opportunity?
I think Dubai naturally attracts some of the smartest people and talent, and also attracts a lot of capital. Like we think about the tax here in Dubai, back home in Australia, I'm paying 45% tax. So if I was to move to Dubai, it's basically going to 0% to 5%, for example. I think the people here are great. The city's fantastic. It's really attracting, I think, people to come to this city and build sort of the Web3 companies. So I really do see Dubai as a key part in being able to build those international global businesses here. Yeah. Also,
in the beginning, you said that there are a lot of scams, hacking happening on the blockchain industry, and your company actually proves to defend against these things. And in the recent news, I heard like chain analysis. They reported that October is the worst month for hacks in 2022. And how do you ensure security for your people?
Yeah, it's really it's sad to see, and even non-scams are just bad business models. Like we saw Celsius, for example, that went bankrupt and a lot of people lost a lot of money. So we have this thing in our platform called the Security Center, where we're really trying to teach people the key things to know about being an investor and what you should do. Things like two-factor authentication, how to use a cold wallet, how to diversify your assets, what is a scam, how to see a scam, what are the red flags for a project, what to avoid when you're getting like phishing emails and things like that. So we're really helping handhold people through that journey to ensure that they don't or they minimize their risk when they're investing into crypto. Because it is for people coming in this space, it is very new, the terminology is difficult. Sometimes us people in crypto get a bit carried away. We think everyone knows what we're talking about, right? But when you talk to a normal person getting into crypto, they've got no idea. So we're really trying to help those people onboard them in.
Okay. So it's interesting. And are there any challenges that you have faced throughout your career or, in respect to your companies? Are there any challenges that you have faced?
I think trying to really simplify the world of crypto. I think a lot of people in crypto, as I mentioned, tend to use terminology that people don't understand. And we talk about the blockchain technology a lot, but normal people don't care about that. Just like the internet right now, people don't care about Web 2. They just use Facebook, they use Twitter because it's a great product. I think the challenges we're seeing in crypto right now is the products are really hard to use. You think MetaMask or Uniswap, this stuff is very confusing for everyday people. Even a ledger right now, think about how hard it is to get a ledger and get your seed phrase and send Ethereum, and then you've got gas fees and don't get scammed and Discord's like, it's so confusing, so many steps involved. So I think us as an industry really have to work hard on making the user experience easier, like 2 clicks for people to come in and onboard.
Okay, that's great. And we all know that since January 2022, the crypto market has been like declining, and also specifically in the month of May, May 5th, I guess, if I'm correct, there was a crypto crash due to the blockchain 3AC and Luna crash, everything. So how do you survive from this market crash actually?
Well, I think this is just another one of Bitcoin's corrections. You know, this is the 5th time Bitcoin has been down more than 75%. This is just another day in crypto. We're seeing the global markets, stocks and equities as well, are all down. Look at Snapchat, that's down about 90%. So I think it's just another healthy cycle. And you get those, in crypto, you get volatility up and down. So you get the market that gets very euphoric in bull markets, probably goes above what the value is. And then right now it's probably down, and we're getting cheaper crypto than probably what we would have seen before. So this is just another healthy correction. I think it's undervalued right now, especially Bitcoin. And I expect it to come out of this bear market in the next 12 to 18 months.
Okay, good thing. And do you think that the CBDCs, central cryptocurrency stuffs, it must be implemented everywhere in the country, or do you think that cryptocurrency will be the future? Do you think the fiat currency must be placed, or what?
I think I'm not a fan of CBDCs personally. I don't like them just because of the centralized nature of them. The government has full control of those CBDCs. I don't call them pure cryptocurrencies. They're not decentralized. If we think about a world where there is no fiat currency and there's only CBDCs, the government has full control over your capital. So let's say you have a viewpoint that isn't in line with the government's thought process, they can shut you out of the financial system. That's a really scary world. That's why I love Bitcoin and I love the decentralized nature where no one can touch my crypto, no one can touch my money, and I'm in full control. So I'm not a fan of CBDCs personally.
Okay, so I think we can expect that future will be well versed with the cryptocurrency and blockchain technology, but along with that, maybe the traditional monetary system will also be there. And also, do you think the CBDCs can impair the financial security of a nation? I'm talking in general. I'm asking in general.
Yeah, I'm not sure. I mean, they're going to be different in each country. I think we saw the e-rupee announced in the last couple of weeks that that's going to be launched soon. So I'm not sure of the intricate details of each different CBDC, but it's certainly going to change, I think, from physical cash through to a lot more digital native currency. So people are already thinking about this. I think it's just important to know that CBDCs are different from normal cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is completely separate. And a CBDC isn't a decentralized cryptocurrency. It's owned by the government.
Okay, and what about your future project in the Web3 space? Web3 space is really innovative, explorative, and it's developing, currently burgeoning too. So how do you see the opportunity in the Web3 space? Also, please let me know the future projects, if you can share.
Yeah, so what we're trying to build for Collective Shift is a personalized analysis platform. So right now you can go to Collective Shift and you can plug in the assets that you own, for crypto and NFTs. We give you a breakdown of your portfolio, and then we can give you personalized insights based on what you own. So you don't need to go to Twitter and Reddit and YouTube and emails and ask friends about what's going on within your portfolio. Collective Shift can do all that for you. So we're building out algorithms to score your portfolio and score digital assets, so you can go to any asset and you can learn about whether or not it's something you want to buy in your portfolio. Yeah.
Okay, and can you just explain about the roadmaps of your company?
Yeah, so right now we're working, our mobile app's going to be launched in the next couple of weeks. I got the beta version yesterday. It looks really cool. So you can look at your portfolio, you can check out education, and you can get daily analysis on the markets all from your phone, which is really cool. And right now we're integrating a lot with crypto exchanges, NFT products, and being able to really integrate as an official research partner with different businesses is really exciting.
Okay, so hopefully you'll be exploring this event too.
Exactly.
So best of luck for your future endeavors, and thanks a lot
Thank you so much
for spending your time over here.
Thanks for having me. Appreciate it.
Okay, thank you.